Hello everybody, Joel Holland here, One Corner, Keller Williams, One Chicago. And it is summer, at the time of recording this, it's mid-July. And so typically, you may be asking yourself what's going on in the market. For the first half of the year, we've heard the market is great, the market is strong. And typically we see this 4th of July lull. And for at least the last 5 years where we've had a lot new and more analytics and tracking software to figure out what the real activity is. Sometimes this 4th of July slowdown is a week, 4 days to a week, sometimes it's 2 weeks. This year we actually felt the slowdown as early as June, which is interesting because actually all five of the last 5 years, January activity for some markets in some areas, specifically condos downtown, have actually been busier than June. That's right, January has been busier than June 5 of the last 5 years. And then in terms of single-family homes, we typically see those, especially in the suburban markets and single-family home markets. Typically that season picks up a little bit later in the year. And what we felt is June was slower than usual. But we're already starting to see a little bit updated activity in terms of actual showings and activity of new clients. We're also talking to lenders and to attorneys and even title companies more than ever to figure out what is your pipeline, what is your bandwidth looking like, because we're looking for more and more indicators to figure out what is going on in this market. And if you ask anybody, we're going to say it is an unusual market, and it's still depending on what product that you're selling, whether it's condo, townhome, single-family home, or what neighborhood or even areas, whether it's the Chicago market or the suburban market. We are still seeing a lot of nuances in each and every market. Good news is last week we saw the highest drop in interest rates that we've seen since 2008, and that was, along with lower gas prices, has been a nice unexpected update in increase and a boost in affordability. So what is your affordability? Are you looking to own? Are you currently renting? Are you considering, should I sell? Should I rent? Should I stay? These are all the questions you should be asking, and more than ever, we are seeing a lot of different micro markets pop up. So contact us and we'll do what's called a market education session, which would be right for you in your area, your zip, for your property type, to figure out, is the market going up, down, what's going on with supply and demand, because we do know that the market is shifting and a lot of sellers are wondering, am I okay to lose the equity in my home that I have right now? And if the answer is no, then contact us today. I hope this market update was helpful in video format, and we have some details and stats below as well. Thanks so much for tuning in.